I'd like to tell you something about DreamCatch, as I am an old customer of DreamCatch. I have ordered so many times from them. Really, the materials quality is very good. Also, sometimes it can be overloaded and still strong. The finishing is smooth and beautiful. Really, they have so many choices. Also, they have the designer who can design you your area in free of charge, but with a very beautiful shape at least. Also, I would like to tell you about their products. They produce the goods in time. I recommend you to deal with DreamCatch Angel.
Well, welcome here from Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. I wanted to share the appreciation we have working with DreamCatch and under the leadership of Angel. We had the opportunity to work on our latest project in Cambodia, which was truly a great success. Angel and her team has always been reactive, creative, always trying to find solutions, very good in terms of after-sales service. I would highly recommend to work again with Angel in our future projects. I believe that DreamCatch and Rockhill Asia are really strong partners for the future, and believe that we will have many great opportunities to work again. So once again, really appreciate Angel and DreamCatch and all the work that has been done. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Mohammed from Ashgabat, Turkmenistan, and I'm a project manager of two biggest projects, playground projects here in Turkmenistan. And when the question comes to playground, there are too many companies in China and all over the world, but I always choose DreamCatch, and I'm staying with them for about 3 or more years. I'm working with Angel and strongly recommend you to work with her and their team. They really have a good team. They always support you, they always understand you. It's really easy to work with them. And they have really strong designer team. For example, I am as a project manager have different types of clients, and sometimes they can ask you questions which drive you to the trouble, like they want the best design but they cannot express you their feelings, meanings, what do they want. And in these questions, Angel with your team finds out the solution. For example, you come to the restaurant and one type of people would love loft design, and the second one can love classic design. And in playgrounds this is a real problem. But their team can find out the solution and they can create the design that would love everybody. And they approved this in my experience, and that's why I'm always with them. Also, their after sales working really great, and they are online 24/7 and they will answer all your questions. I strongly recommend you again to work with DreamCatch. They are the best. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.